Craving something unique for your next brunch? These stuffed vegetarian pancakes are a delightful twist on the classic recipe. Imagine fluffy pancakes filled with a savory medley of vegetables and cheese, creating a dish that's both satisfying and fun to eat. What I love about these pancakes is their versatility. You can stuff them with your favorite veggies like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers, and even sneak in some herbs for an extra layer of flavor. This recipe is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to use up those leftover vegetables in your fridge. These pancakes are sure to please everyone at the table, whether they are strict vegetarians or just looking for a hearty meal that's packed with flavor. Preparation of savory pancakes. Creating stuffed vegetarian pancakes begins with a simple batter. Combine all-purpose flour, milk, a large egg, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Whisk until smooth, allowing the mixture to rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period helps achieve a lighter texture. While the batter rests, you can focus on preparing the filling. This involves sautéing a mix of vegetables such as spinach and mushrooms until they're tender. The combination creates a vibrant filling that pairs beautifully with the fluffy pancakes. Once the vegetables are ready, set them aside to cool slightly. Cooking the pancakes. Heat a skillet over medium heat and drizzle in a little olive oil. Pour a ladle of pancake batter into the skillet, swirling it to form a round pancake. Watch closely as it cooks for 2–3 minutes. Bubbles will form on the surface, indicating it's time for the next step. Carefully sprinkle cheese and a portion of the sautéed vegetables over one half of the pancake. Fold the other half over to encase the filling and allow it to cook for another couple of minutes until it achieves a golden brown hue. This method creates a delightful stuffed pancake that encapsulates all the flavors within. Serving suggestions. Once all the pancakes are cooked, it's time to serve. Stack them on a rustic plate for a charming presentation. Garnish with fresh herbs to add a splash of color and freshness to the dish. You can also include a small bowl of yogurt for dipping, which complements the savory flavors beautifully. For an added touch, consider sprinkling some colorful spices around the plate. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also allows guests to customize their experience with different flavors. Versatility in ingredients. One of the notable aspects of these pancakes is their adaptability. While this recipe features spinach and mushrooms, feel free to incorporate other vegetables you enjoy or need to use up. Bell peppers, zucchini, or even grated carrots can serve as excellent substitutes. You can also experiment with different types of cheese. Mozzarella, feta, or a sharp cheddar can alter the flavor profile and make each batch unique. This flexibility makes the pancakes a go-to option for utilizing leftover ingredients. Nutrition and dietary considerations. These stuffed pancakes provide a wholesome meal option, packed with nutrients from the vegetables and protein from the cheese and eggs. Each pancake offers around 200 calories, making them a satisfying choice without being overly indulgent. If you are looking to make it lighter, consider using plant-based milk and reducing the cheese. The pancakes can easily accommodate dietary preferences, including vegetarian and even gluten-free options if you swap the all-purpose flour for a suitable alternative. Moreover, enjoying these pancakes with family or friends fosters a sense of togetherness. Sharing a meal becomes an opportunity to connect, discuss, and relish the flavors together, making the experience even more enjoyable. These savory stuffed vegetarian pancakes are fluffy on the outside and generously filled with a colorful mix of sautéed vegetables and cheese. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2. 1 cup milk or plant-based milk. 3. 1 large egg. 4. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 5. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 6. 1/2 cup grated cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or your choice. 7. 1 cup mixed vegetables, finely chopped, e.g., spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers. 8. 2 tablespoons olive oil for cooking. 9. Fresh herbs for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare the batter. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, milk, egg, baking powder, and salt until smooth. 1. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. 2. Cook the vegetables. In a skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the chopped vegetables and sauté until tender, about 5–7 minutes. 2. Set aside to cool slightly. 3. Cook the pancakes. In the same skillet, add a little more olive oil. 3. Pour a ladle of pancake batter into the skillet, swirling to form a round pancake. 3. Cook for 2-3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. 4. Add the filling. Sprinkle some cheese and a portion of the sautéed vegetables over one half of the pancake. 4. Fold the other half over to enclose the filling and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown. 5. Repeat. Continue with the remaining batter and filling, adding more oil to the skillet as needed. 6. Serve. Stack the pancakes on a plate, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce or yogurt.